Hello, everyone.
But my client has a friend. The friend was Secret Service, and he was told, go into that limo. They got a detail for you. I think it's something in Maryland. See you tomorrow. And he goes in, and as soon as he enters the limo, there are three identical Obamas.
Wow.
We're being played, guys.
I don't know how much. Well, here, I'll just say it. I have a good friend I'm totally open to discussing conspiracy theories and stuff. And he has for probably 10 years been telling me that we have actors in the United States. And for whatever reason, that's the one conspiracy thing I've always just kind of brushed under the table and thought was silly. Now, listening to you say this, first of all, he's going to love this interview. And
I'm not talking about actors, Greg. I'm talking about three Obamas.
Why don't we? I know you got to go, Jim. Why don't we stop it there? We'll kind of keep an eye out for this broadcast that hopefully, I'd like to see it happen. And I don't know, Dan, David, you got anything else to add?